Hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. Okay, today guys, we're not talking about Forex, but I want to show you something that can help you make 4% daily of your funds. Okay, this is called the Zinlingo. It's actually just market goods for the online shops. So what you just need to do is to deposit at least $30 and expect a 4% daily. You just do the daily task and get 4% daily. It's quite good, guys. It's quite good. So currently this account that I'll be showing you, I actually deposited $100. So we'll talk about that when I get there. So if once you click on the link, all you need to do now is click on the link at the description or also at the comment section and fill in these details. Create a username, password and phone number, get the verification code and register now. But because I have an account with them already, I'm gonna log in right now. So after what you click that, you just click on app download, then it downloads the app for you. So I'm gonna click on app download right now so you can also see how this works. So if you don't want to be logging in via your browser, you just download app, Android download anyway. So it's downloading. So while it's downloading, I'll just log in via the browser. Login. So the app has been downloaded. So you'll be using the app in case of next time to log in. So right now, guys, so once you create an account successfully, you just click on deposit, where you have to deposit at least, guys, at least $30. But I just advise you take on 100, because you just be making at least nice $4 daily. So in a month or in 10 days you'll be having 140. That's you'll be having extra $40. That's about 40% in 10 days. So within a month, guys, you should be up about $220. So that's just what it is. You can deposit via USDT, either the TRC20 or the ERC20 network. So that's for deposit. I believe you guys know how to go about that. Then for the withdrawal, you can also withdraw anytime. If you see, I want to withdraw right now. If I want to take a withdrawal right now, orders completed 42 for today. You have 50 orders every day. Number of withdrawals today is one. You can see I made a withdrawal today, and I've received it in my Binance account. So that's just how it is. So right now, guys, I'm gonna explain how this thing works to you. If you go, all you have to do after you deposit your funds, at least the minimum, which is $30. So this account contains $100 right now on it. Look at it. It has $100 and the available balance is 142. Like I said, I've done this for 10 days and I've made $42. Yesterday commission was 4.40. You see that? So as your balance increases, definitely your commission is gonna increase. So this is just all you need to do every day on it. You just click on automatic grab every day. Just every day you have 50 grabs to do. So once you do this, once you just automatically roll itself, then you also submit it, then automatically the commission will be added. So right now I've done 43. Orders completed is 43. I'll just do it again. I'm supposed to complete 50 every day with this plan that I'm using. You get that, guys? So as I'm doing that, my commission is gonna be increasing. You see, my available balance is gonna be increasing as I do that. So just for 50 times in a day, as easy as that, guys. That's just how this thing works, and you get your funds right there in your account. You can see the commission and the available balance is increasing. So you can just do this, guys. Just do it like the spare money that you just kept in your that you're not doing anything with. You can just do this and get that certain amount um daily exactly. So what I'm gonna be doing is that for every $50 made on this account, I'm gonna be withdrawing. Yes, you can also follow my plan. Every $50 made from this stuff, I'm gonna be withdrawing the $50 every 50. That is on every 12 days. I withdraw the 50. withdraw the 50 continuously like that, just leaving my $100 there to continue printing the cash. Exactly, it might be small money to some persons, and it also might be some worth of money for also some persons. So that's just basically what you need. I just decided to share this thing with you guys because I know some persons will actually benefit from this. So that's just it. This is everything you need to know about it. So I just explained to you in summary how this thing works. First, I said click on the link at the description, then you sign up right there, download the app, log in, and all you have to do is to deposit. If you can deposit $100, good. Then you click on the grab every day. You find out that once you click on the grab for yours, you just be seeing your available balance here. Then your commission is gonna be 0. Your orders completed will be 0. So you will complete an order 50 times every day. So how do you complete order? It's very simple. Click on the automatic grab. That's just it. I've done 47 before. It's just to complete it, and you submit it. That's all. Click on automatic grab again. So you can just take 5 minutes out of your day to claim the $4. That's just it. Take 5 minutes out of your day, claim the $5 and the $4, and that's all you need. You can see my orders is completed right now. So after this one, this will be the, you see, I've done everything. So if I click on it again, this is the last one. This is the last one, guys. You have completed all orders. You can see that. So that's just how it is. And then today, commission of $4.4 exactly. So if you do this every day, imagine you deposited imagine I deposited $1,000. I will be making $40 daily. Exactly, $40 daily. In 10 days I will have made half of the funds that I invested on it. In 20 days I would have made my funds back. So that's just basically what we do. And note, guys, this is not a financial advice. We all know how these things work. So that's why I put it upon myself that I'm gonna follow a plan of withdrawing every $50. Yes, every $50. Like you guys know that sometimes we get stuff like this, and then later in the time it stops working. I hope you guys know that. So that's why you're gonna take proper precaution on withdrawing whatever you make, of course. So why this one is very, very good to take advantage of is because it's quite new. So quite new definitely means that you have time to eat some stuff out of it, eat some funds out of it. So that's why I'm actually sharing this with you. So thank you for watching, and I wish you all well, guys.